If you master the symbols, you are going to become an Excel or Google Sheets pro in no time. This is part 7 of Back to School Bootcamp for Spreadsheets. First, the math operators. Those are pretty straightforward. Plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, and slash for division. Exponentiation, you're going to use something called caret, like 2 caret 3 means 2 to the power 3. And the percentage converts any number to a percentage. That one is not hard to memorize. Next, the comparison operators. A cell equal another cell, it's going to compare if they both have the same value. You're also going to use equal at the beginning of any formula. That tells Excel that you want to use a formula instead of just straight up text inside the cell. If you need to put inside a formula something does not equal something else, you're going to use smaller than and then greater than. And of course, you can use greater than and smaller than as you would with any other comparison. You can also use greater than equal for greater than or equal, and smaller than equal for smaller than or equal. And that will work in Excel or Google Sheets. Now we're going to start getting a little bit more complicated with reference operators. You're going to use the colon to refer to a range. Now a comma allows you to combine multiple ranges. And a space is going to say, grab me anything that is in both ranges, the range before the space and the range after the space. Now for text in both Excel or Google Sheets, you can just use ampersand to add text together. And then there are a few more symbols that you want to keep in your back pocket. The money symbol is going to be very important for the next bootcamp part when we're going to be talking about relative and absolute references. Parentheses are used to group and control the order of the operations, but you're also going to use parentheses a lot just to start a formula. Single quote is going to be very important when you're referencing a sheet that has a space in the name of it in both Excel or Google Sheets. And the double quotes, you're going to use that anytime you are using literal text. And then the last one for today, because I know that this has been a lot already, exclamation point, it's going to indicate that you are referencing a cell in a different sheet. Again, this works in both Excel or Google Sheets. Which one you had never heard of? I personally was not aware about the exponential one.